AutoCanada disclosed that last Sunday they detected a cyber incident impacting their internal IT systems. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. According to their disclosure, AutoCanada first detected the cyberattack last Sunday and took immediate actions to secure their network and protect customer and employee data. AutoCanada said business operations remained open, but acknowledged there could be disruptions until systems were restored. We don't have many technical details yet about the nature of the attack. No ransomware groups have claimed responsibility. However, as a large organization with many locations and endpoints, AutoCanada would be an attractive target for cybercriminals. Their disclosure notes that data access is still being evaluated, so it's possible sensitive information was exposed. Adding more context, AutoCanada has been dealing with challenges from another major IT incident earlier this year. In June, the massive outage at automotive IT supplier CDK Global was caused by the BlackSuit ransomware gang. This weeks-long outage significantly impacted operations at AutoCanada and other car dealerships that rely on CDK's systems. In their recent financial report, AutoCanada directly attributed lost sales and profits during the second quarter to the CDK outage. It took until late July to fully recover and restore normal operations after validating and cleaning up impacted systems. So within a 3-month period, AutoCanada had to respond to 2 major cyber disruptions, showing how reliant the automotive industry has become on IT, but also their vulnerability to these types of attacks. Automotive dealerships store vast amounts of sensitive customer data, like names, addresses, credit card information, and more. Properly securing these systems and protecting privacy should be top priorities. Overall, this serves as another example of how even large, well-known brands can fall victim and face significant disruptions from cyberattacks. This is why we have partnered with Stonefly to offer daily security review subscribers a special promo on Stonefly backup and disaster recovery solutions. Get a 56 terabytes fully air-gapped and immutable Veeam backup and disaster recovery appliance at half price. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Don't forget to subscribe and check back for more cybersecurity news and analysis. Thanks for watching.